Keto gummies are a variation of dietary supplement in the form of chewing gum that are formulated to suit a ketogenic diet, also known as a ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is an eating regimen that emphasizes eating foods high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and very low in carbohydrates. The main goal of this diet is to get the body into a metabolic state called ketosis, in which it burns fat as its primary source of energy, instead of carbohydrates. Keto gummies are low-carb specific, typically containing sugar-free sweeteners or low-carb sugar substitutes like erythritol or stevia. They may contain ingredients common in a ketogenic diet, such as coconut oil, MCT, medium-chain triglycerides, or other types of healthy fats. Additionally, some keto gummies may include supplements such as vitamins, minerals, or ingredients specific to the ketogenic diet, such as exogenous ketones, which are designed to help increase blood ketone levels. Keto gummies are a convenient way to get nutrients and supplements while staying in ketosis, while satisfying a craving for a sweet treat or snack without compromising on your carb intake. However, it's important to read labels carefully and understand the ingredients to ensure they fit your keto diet goals and meet your specific nutritional needs. Additionally, consult a healthcare professional or nutritionist before beginning any new diet or supplementation, including consuming keto gummies, to ensure it is safe and suitable for you.